Today, we're gonna be playing Build a Beehive, Big Tree, Make Honey Offline. I'm excited. Well, I have played this, but we're gonna be playing it again. So let's play it. So we're just letting it load. Playing. This is my honey right now, and those are my bees. As I've said, I already started. So let me turn off the music. I want to. As y'all can see, I got 8 bees. So much honey left. I completed some collection. So I got all the honey out of all of them. I'm thinking about selling, but I'm not. And also, if you ever see, like, your sunflowers are getting big, that's good. It just told me that my flowers. We're gonna put your gun in there. Okay, she restocked a lot of things. But she didn't restock the Venus flytrap, the fire blue blossom, or the bluebell, or the lily, or the rose, or the cactus. I want those to restock. So for the blue glow, I already got a ninja. I have bought a blue glow and a balloon flower. I already got a ninja bee and for a flame, whatever this is. Custard. I think I got a sun bee or something like that. I haven't got a Venus flytrap or another bee, but at some point I had a lily got or my bee out. This is a honeybee. This is a white bee, and this one is a ninja bee, if I was correct. Well, don't show. But this is my honeybee. I mean, my ninja bee. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to beehive and see what. Oh, wait, here's the bear right here. He loves honey. He got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He got 6 jars, and he has 1, 2, 3, 4 jars that's filled and 2 jars that are halfway. He's been eating a lot of honey lately. Okay. See how I come back and I'm growing more bees. No, y'all might think, oh, she's buying the bees. I'm not buying bees. I'm not buying the bees, guys. These plants give me bees. I don't buy them. I really don't. And I'm going to unlock this queen bee right here. And over there. And this person just came up. Let's see how big this is. He haven't started, guys, which is so sweet. And this girl over here. Is she bald? No, she's not. She only has 1 bee. Not very. 1 bee. Just 1. In my house, and that one, I think this one is she. Yeah. You see how they fill up this so fast? don't know why I keep pausing it. I keep forgetting that that's on, and I keep thinking I'll pause it. So I'm about to collect all the honey. I need to make sure. I need to go up and make sure I got all of them. I don't get anything. Mosey grew a gold. Forget about Mosey. And these are these right here. The gold. These are my 2 dragons. Okay, let me tell you how much bees and dragonflies. I have 5 ninja bees. I have 15 clover bees. I have 4 nervous bees. I have 22 honeybees. I have 22 white bees. I have 11 kawaii bees. I have 1 amblaster bee. I have 2 dragonflies and I have 5 bumblebees. That's what I wanted to know. You must think I might not care or whatever, but in my opinion, I do. As I'm just seeing how beautiful slowly my garden. Alright, y'all. So these are my bees right now. They're full of what these ones do. Watch how I'm fixing to get a bee out of these. I don't buy the bees at your thing. I think I do. Swamp bee. I don't buy these. I swamp them. For those on the other comments when I posted a different video. Yeah. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Hope y'all like, comment, sub to the channel. So y'all post notifications on if you have not followed my social media. And yeah. Bye.